Hello students, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing really great. This is Manisha Jha, your teacher, and today we are going to learn about safety and first aid. Learning objects सीख लेते हैं. इसके learning objectives हैं safety on road, safety from fire, safety from at home and first aid. So accidents can happen anywhere and at any time. They are caused due to our carelessness. So we should be careful and follow safety rules to avoid them. There are many safety rules that will help us prevent accidents. Let us learn about them. बच्चों accidents जो है वो कहीं भी किसी भी टाइम हो सकता है और ये हमारे केयरलेसनेस की वजह से होता है. लेकिन हम कैसे इन एक्सीडेंट से बच सकते हैं, कैसे सेफ्टी अब खुद को प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं और सामने वाले को भी चलिए जान लेते हैं. सो सेफ्टी ऑन द रोड. Always walk on the footpath. If there is no footpath, walk to the left hand side of the road. Cross the road at the zebra crossing. If there is no zebra crossing, then make sure that there is no traffic from either side. If possible, use a subway or pedestrian bridge to cross the road. Now, never play on the road. Always follow the traffic lights, read the road signs properly and try to understand the information impart. Now safety at home. घर पर कैसे खुद को हम सेफ रख सकते हैं? Home is like one of the safest place, but if we are careless, then we may get hurt at home too. Here are ways how we can take care of ourselves and others at home. Home जो है हमारा सबसे safest part होता है, लेकिन अगर हम वहाँ पर भी खुद सेफ्टी ना रखें और केयरलेस करें तो हम वहाँ पर भी इंजर्ड हो सकते हैं. लेकिन कैसे बच सकते हैं, कैसे हम घर पर सेफ्टी रख सकते हैं? If you are alone at home, never open the door to an unknown person. To an unknown person, never play with sharp objects like plates, knives, etc. Do not take any medicine on your own. Never play on the stairs, terrace or other elevated places because falling down from there may cause severe injuries. Electrical appliances should be unplugged when not in use. Never touch the electrical appliances with wet hands. So students, अब आ जाते हैं skill टेस्ट पर. मैच द रोड साइंस विद देयर मीनिंग्स. इसकी प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से कीजिएगा. नाउ सेफ्टी फ्रॉम फायर. गेट ऑल इलेक्ट्रिकल गैजेट्स checked from time to time. Never wear nylon and other synthetic clothes when you are near fire as these clothes catch fire easily. If a crack is seen in the plastic covering of any wire, get it replaced. Never keep a kerosene stove on the floor. If it gets knocked over, the oil can get spilled, resulting in a fire. If there is a fire in the building, vacate the building immediately and never use the light. Now, prevention from fire. Fire से कैसे हम prevention पा सकते हैं? Pouring water over the fire cools down the burning substance and also cuts off the supply of oxygen. Never throw water over burning kerosene or petrol. These are lighter than water and float over water and will continue burning. Fire caused by electricity can be put off by throwing sand over it. There are special fire extinguisher to put off such fires. A fire extinguisher is a simple device used to extinguish the fire. It cuts off the supply of air to the fire. Water should never be thrown over a fire caused by electricity. Electricity can flow through water and give an electric shock to the person who touches it. In case the fire is severe, dial 101 and call for the fire brigade. Now, first aid. First aid is the immediate help given to an injured person before the doctor arrives. Proper first aid can prevent the injury from getting worse and can sometimes even save a life. बच्चों first aid जो है वो immediate help होता है जब भी किसी person को चोट लग जाती है या वो injured होता है. डॉक्टर के आने से पहले first aid दिया जाता है ताकि उस व्यक्ति को तब तक के लिए डॉक्टर के आने तक के लिए हम बचा सके. So, first aid for different kinds of accidents. Burns. If the burns is small, then put the burnt area immediately under cold water. This will cool the area and prevent blisters from being formed. A severe burn result in blisters. Never prick the blisters. If a blister breaks, wash the area with soap and water and cover it tightly with a clean piece of cloth or bandage. In case of severe burn, the patient should be taken to the doctor immediately. Now, wounds, cuts and scratches. For wounds, cuts and scratches, first wash your own hands and then wash the wound under running water. Clean the wound with an antiseptic lotion and cover it with cotton wool and bind it with a bandage or a clean handkerchief. In case of the deep wounds, try to stop the bleeding by using a tourniquet. A tourniquet should always be tied above the wound and never on the wound. So now always remember to go to the doctor and get an antiseptic anti-tetanus injection afterwards. Now fractures. When a bone breaks or crack, it is called a fracture. अगर कोई bone जो break हो जाता है, crack हो जाता है, उसे fracture कहा जाता है. So if you think a bone is broken, do not move that part of the body. In case a bone in the hand is broken, make a sling using a cloth. This will give support to the arm and prevent movement. Take the patient immediately to the doctor. Now sprains. A sprain is a twist in the ankle or the wrist. Sprains can be very painful. The injured swells up and sometimes the skin of that area turns blue. Rub ice on the swelling till it becomes less. For support, tie a bandage in a figure of 8. It allows maximum movements of joint like elbow, knee, wrist and ankle. Now, animal bites. Dog or cat bites. The saliva of dog or cats may carry rabies virus. Saliva जो होता है dog या cat का, वो उसके अंदर rabies के viruses होते हैं. So wash the wound thoroughly with soap and water and put an antiseptic cream. The patient should be taken to a doctor to give anti-rabies vaccine. Now snake bites. The poison injected by the snake travels through the blood and affects the heart and nerves system. A light bandage should be tied between the wound and the heart to slow down the spread of the poison by reducing the flow of blood. The patient should be rushed to a doctor. Remember, it is important to know what to do after an accident, but it is more important to avoid an accident. This is what safety is all about. बच्चों हमेशा याद रखिए कि important है कि जानना कि एक्सीडेंट के बाद हमें क्या करना चाहिए, लेकिन उससे भी ज़्यादा important है कि एक्सीडेंट्स हो ही ना, हम पहले से ही सावधानी रखें जिससे एक्सीडेंट्स ही ना हो. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now it's quick brush up. So accidents can happen anywhere and anytime. Safety rules must be followed to avoid accidents. Cross the road at zebra crossing. Follow the traffic rules and follow road signs. Signals: never touch electrical appliances with wet hands. Get all electric gadgets checked from time to time. First aid is the help given to an injured person before the doctor arrives. So students, I hope you have understood each and every detail of this chapter. अब आप इस chapter और इसकी exercise की practice खुद से करते रहिएगा.